So I'm going to show you how I upload a video. All right, so we're going to begin by, first of all, we want to take this link and go to Tube Magic, go to Work Upload, and from that, we will get some title ideas. Let's see here, from enemy to apostle, Paul's life-changing encounter, Saul's shocking transformation on the road to Damascus, when God calls even the fiercest opponent, meet Paul. That's pretty cool. I'd watch that. And I've got it hooked up with vidIQ to give me some suggestions for other title ideas. So far, it has a score of 80. That's pretty good. I'm going to go over here now to the description, and this description is going to be adjusted later. I'll show you that in a moment. And we go over here, we've got some hashtags to work with later. And we have these tags as keywords, list of keywords to use for uploading the video. But we also want to go to our channel tags. So we'll do that. So here are the channel keywords, and we want to take the title, and we want to now go to rapidtags.io, and we want to put the title of the video plus the niche, get some tags to help us for the video here. All right, that worked. Copy those tags. Okay, and now I've got those. Now we want to start though with this prompt I have prepared. Going to ChatGPT, and we're going to put in the title so that ChatGPT can come up with 120 keywords for us, I believe it is. So here is the title. Add that to the prompt. And now we're going to add the description for the video is the one we gathered from Tube Magic. And we'll put it in there. Okay, so we're getting a group of tags, 3 groups of tags, 40 each to start with. All right, so we're going to take it to vidIQ. We're going to go step by step, and let's just, first of all, gather these tags, start the first one, and let's begin the process. And you have to make sure that you put in order from best top SEO keywords top to bottom. That's why we're ordering them like that, putting hyphen and a number. And you go through the list of making sure you're going through the list of the post-specific hashtags, tags, the niche-specific tags, and now we're going to move on to the broad tags, but make sure you're only using relevant tags. Okay, we'll continue now. All right, and so once you've ordered all of those specific tags, you want to now go on to your channel tags, magic tags, and tags from Rapid IO. And you want to put them so that they are orderly first to work with. So like so, we're just going to continue that now. Okay, now we're going to keyword research for those. Okay, so now that we have them all in order from top to bottom in SEO, we want to put a comma instead of the hyphen and SEO score. We want to put a comma in place of that because of what we're going to do next. So let's just do that first. Now you want to take the first set of them and put them into the tags area. I don't like to put allow automatic places or allow automatic concepts. It can be frustrating for the viewer. So put in the tags there, remove the last few until there's no longer red. There's just the right amount of SEO keywords in that list. Check out where it was last. The dramatic encounter is last. So we're just going to put a space here. Now, the remaining ones, we want to have up to 60 of them into hashtags soon, actually. First of all, let's just take some of the keywords from this list around the top section, because we're going to go over here into the prompter and we're going to ask ChatGPT to improve this video description. All right, so we're going to attach the video description from to Magic. We want to improve it with SEO keywords so that it includes these SEO keywords in the first 200 words, and so that it also contains a hook in the first 95 characters, and then include that list of keywords from here, copy those, and put them in there. All right, let's see how they improve the description with those SEO keywords. All right, so now we're going to copy that description and we're going to take it over to our YouTube channel. We're going to improve this description by including this one. We don't need a space there. Let's save that. Great. Now we have the SEO keywords top to bottom in there, in where the tags go, including the description has been improved, but now we need hashtags. So let's take the remaining list, this one here, that we didn't work with yet. And let's give ChatGPT some instructions. So we're going to say to it, let's see here, provide a row of hashtags up to the first 60 in this list, exclude the hyphen and numbers after the hyphens. So then go ahead and let's see what they come up with for us. Did we say a limit to the first 60? Let's make sure we did. Yes. So let's see what they come up with. They're only doing 60 because the rule with YouTube is you're only to have 60. And put those in the hashtag section of your description. Make sure there's a space here and save it. Great. All right, so that is how I do SEO keywords for long form videos. Thanks for watching. Check it out.